Good morning. The Indian markets on Wednesday witnessed a very flat session throughout, as most of the frontline counters were trading in almost the same zone on Wednesday. Markets opened on a relatively positive note and remained relatively strong throughout the day, but no major momentum was seen among the frontline stocks. The market ended the day 0.5% up. The mid cap and the small cap indices also remained relatively flat throughout the day and ended the day on a flat note. The capital goods segment was a major sectoral gainer on Wednesday after Larsen and Toubro surged around 2.5% on expectations of revival in the infrastructure sector in the upcoming financial year. Realty was the major sectoral loser on Wednesday, with the frontline counters falling in excess of over 2%. MRPL was the major gainer of Wednesday after it surged in excess of over 16% on takeover bids. Deepak Fertilizer bought an additional 20 million shares on Tuesday at rupees 63 each, taking its overall stake in the company to over 26%. Deepak Fertilizer could launch an open offer after this purchase for an additional 26% stake in MRPL. Yesterday, global markets and the dollar paired its strong gains at the start and ended the day relatively flat on account of the ongoing tensions across the Ukraine border. Russia has conducted military drills across the border after Ukraine killed few of its rebels on Thursday. This prompted sell-off in the global markets, and most of the global markets ended the day on a flat note. Coming to news for today's session, NTT Docomo, which hold around 26% in Tata Group's company Tata Teleservices, is looking to offload its stake in the company and exit the Indian operations on account of less interest in the joint venture. The Asian markets are traded in a positive zone in the early morning trade, but the Singapore Nifty was down by around 22 points in the morning. The Indian markets are expected to be sideways for today's session. Hence, it would be safe to avoid short positions below the support levels of 23023 and 6899 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.